Hello, today I'm in Kia Niro. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the media panel. Thanks to this button you can activate voice assistant. Thanks to this button you can change radio source. Thanks to this button you can change radio volume and mute the radio. And this button allows you to change radio station. Of course, this button allows you to answer the calls, and this one allows you to decline the calls or end call. Take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control and speed limiter. We can manage the instrument cluster menu, adjust it, and adjust cruise control and speed limiter. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.